Well, here I am, pretty much parked on the side of the road, kind of the edge of the road, because there's a nice big tree branch blocking the entry there to the parking for Lower Canada Creek Falls. So, trail up the hill here. This is a 1.5 miles out and back, and go see what the waterfall looks like. It's supposed to be pretty cool, really cool. Oh yeah, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, help grow it. Give it a like and leave your comments down below if you have anything that you want to share. Well, whatever you do, don't go directly up the hill. That's apparently the wrong way. Start out on your hike. Be careful of the little blue dot. Don't go down by the creek. It's not there. Do not go up this hill, not from here or from the road, because it doesn't go the right way. Stick to this one here in the middle. It looks like a four-wheeler, you know, ATV side-by-side type track. This is the one you need to go and take, and keep on the treadway and follow the treadway. Okay, don't necessarily trust that little blue dot. There are times when it is a good distance off the actual trail, and we're going to go out there and we're going to find out what it looks like. So let's hustle and let's get out there. Come on, let's go. Now there's the creek down there. That's the way I went last time I was up here, which is obviously also not the correct way. So we're heading downhill a little bit. And I think then we head back up around the hill somehow. At least according to AllTrails. And as far as I can tell, I'm on the right way this time. Well, we got signs of trail maintenance. And trail's going back uphill. I guess that means I'm going the right way, I hope. Oh, gosh. Yeah, it's kind of bare out here. You know, no leaves out yet. And it's just another pud coming up. Alright, let's get up here. Here's the creek. And here's what appears to be the trail. I hope. I don't know why people are running mountain bikes through here. Seems to me to be kind of dangerous to do that with all the growth. Let's take a look here. That's nice. Here's a better view. Well, based on what I'm seeing out here on the ground, AllTrails navigation, or at least maybe it could be my phone or whatever, lack of service, I don't know, but you know, looking at the GPS, It's got the trail going way the heck up on top there. The treadway's down here, a lot closer to the creek. So we're just gonna follow the treadway, because there was nothing going up around the top of that mountain whatsoever. All the treadway seems to be down here right along the creek. There's a couple nice pools out here by the creek. Pretty flat areas. Suppose you could camp out here. Well, when I got down to where the trail stopped, pretty much stopped at the creek, I saw a little spur going up the hill. It was kind of flat, kind of wide. Pulled up the AllTrails map and navigated. Started walking up the hill along the little feeder creek. And of course it has me going the wrong way. So I crossed a little, walked up a little ways and found this. Got a deadfall here, got a ribbon there, and got a ribbon here. So I'm gonna go up here just a little ways and hope that's it, because if it's not, then I have no idea where this waterfall is. And the AllTrails map is flat, hasn't taken me to it yet. I do hear rushing water in there. I believe, but we'll find out. There's something down there. Yeah, got something down there. See if we find a way to it. There it is. There's something. There's some more shoots and rapids right there. And that might, looks like pictures, kind of. Probably can't see it too well in the camera. I don't see a way down, not a real safe one anyway. That's got to be part of it. I'm definitely in the right area. Oh, missed this on the way up the hill. Wow. Well, it looks like somehow you're supposed to go along the creek here to get to the falls. I'd like to know how, because you got a bunch of blowdown along the edge of the creek. I don't know if this thing's actually accessible anymore. Okay, I found a way to get across the creek here. And we're just gonna head up this way, see how far it goes. Might be able to get to the creek, the waterfall, maybe, maybe not. We'll see. That's a little bit better view. Through the trees. And nice shot through the trees here. Well, this is going to be about as close as I can get without getting myself into really big trouble with the hillside and the slipperiness of everything out there. You know, down below me, that is. It's pretty. It's like you need to have a rope and a harness kind of thing. But go ahead, give it a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe so we can grow this channel. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.